Hello everyone, today I will show you how to activate the maps. I have received some inquiries that the people are confused how to activate the maps after installations. It's really easy and straightforward process, but first of all we're gonna start from the computer and we'll show you how to copy the files, how to extract the files, how to prepare the SD card with those files, and then we're gonna back to the car and I will show you the activation process. Okay guys, so first of all you have to download that activation file which is attached to the maps files on my website. And then just rightmost click on it, 7-zip, extract to activation, and we got here our activator. Now you have to copy those files onto the SD card. First of all, when you plug in an SD card, I'm using the 8 gigs right now, you need to format them. Make sure there is the FAT32 as default. The volume label can be activation, can be quick format, and you can perform the format right now and click OK. Now we got the empty SD card. So we can now just copy the files onto the SD card. So don't copy that folders because the MMI will not read those files. You have to open the activation folder, select all of them, and just drag and drop onto the SD card. So the files must look like that. They can't be in any parent folder because the MMI will not read it. So when you get onto the SD card, the first look on it is just those 5 files. Okay, so we can then back to the car. So I'm just back to the car. I got my SD card with the activator. Make sure you have unplug all your other SD cards, so I might be a bit confused then. So start the ignition. And now we have to wait around 5 minutes just to make sure all systems are loaded up. So we can just press each button to load up the whole system, make sure it's all loaded up. Radio, media, alright. And then we have to back to the main MMI look. In the 3G Plus is something like that. So to do that, just press a couple times of the back button. And now just have to wait a bit. So if you are sure that all systems are loaded up and everything works just fine, you can insert the SD card with the activator. You can do that onto the first slot and just wait a couple of seconds and some screen should just pop out. And you have got map activation. Press any key to continue, so you can just, for example, rotate with that knob. And the activator is already installed. I have that information because obviously I got the maps already activated, but you will see that activation is done successfully until you reboot the MMI. So I have just again twisted the knob. To reboot the MMI we need to press in 3G Plus mini central knob and that buttons together. The MMI will reboot, and after that your satnav will be activated. Right, so that's all for now. I hope that video will help you to activate the maps and you will not have any problems with that. If you like this video and would like to get more handy tutorials, please subscribe my channel and you can just press the like button under the video. Thank you very much and see you soon.